Hey guys, Adrian here for the Appitizer, and today it is episode 1. We are rebooting the show. This is a show I planned on doing a while back. It got to episode 3. I did a little stuff, and I got lost track with my times and everything, and I wanted to change up the show. I wanted to change up the format and how everything is with the show. So, currently we are using display recorder on a jailbroken iPhone 4S. I know this isn't the format of the iPhone 4S. This is an old iPhone, like 3G. But nonetheless, it is using it to display record out from my iPhone over the Wi-Fi onto this, and you'll be able to see a simulated iPhone. So you can see here, if I turn my iPhone on, you actually see the iPhone is actually on in the screen here. And if I turn it off, it obviously turns off. I am looking into getting a new app that's out. It's called Reflections. Actually, it just came out today when I was planning on launching the show, so I didn't have time to set all that up. But nonetheless, instead of a long, show, you guys wanted shorter content in forms of app reviews. So every episode will be a new app rather than one episode featuring like 4 apps, 5 apps, whatever, for different categories. Just one app. Today is rebooting the cycle. Today is the new episode 1. I know I got to episode 3 last time, but I want to try a new format. So this is Appitizers. We are serving you your daily news of apps, reviews, all that. So yeah, let's dive in. Today we are talking about Snackr. Now Snackr is a new application that recently just came out. You can see it here on the screen. It is a audio bite-sized news application. So not only does it read it to you, the app actually reads you the news, but it keeps it short, simple, and it's very, very minimalistic. So if I scroll over here, you see I have I can click top news over here.
It's 9 o'clock.
So there goes my Mac. But Snackr, very, very similar, kind of an interface to Pulse if you're familiar with that. But this is really cool for your news junkies who just want to hear the news and kind of just like sit back and let it just, read off to you maybe in the morning when you're getting ready or anything like that. So you can create a Snackr account. I'm currently not logged into my account. But you can click top news here, and you'll see at the very bottom as I kind of scroll through, you kind of get a very, very short bite-sized information about what's new in the news. So you can see here, sleep equality improves with age, judge rules in favor of day laborers, and etc., etc. And let's say you want to click on something here. So for example, this one says Fed survey shows economic. So I'm going to pause that real quick, and I can't read the full thing here, but if I scroll to the right, you see Fed survey shows economic growth around U.S. This is from NPR. Now you have this little volume bar too, because like I said, it's meant for audio. So if I click play here, you guys can hear the guy's name is Alfred in this app.
Fed survey shows economic growth around U.S. The U.S. economy started the year with busier factories, higher retails. So actually the voice isn't too bad. It's a little bit fast sometimes, but for the most part pronunciation is really accurate. And with voice technology nowadays, it's getting pretty good. It's not really that bad. It pronounces everything pretty good. It doesn't mess up on too much stuff, but it delivers you the news in its basic form. Now obviously you can click in here into 5-minute snack. So since this is called Snackr, I think this is just for their updates and stuff, what's going on in the app. They just give you like a little bit of obviously 5-minute stuff. But you can also go over here and click on one of my favorites, which is tech and startups. And again, you get news, and it's you get the news of certain stories. Again, you can scroll to the right to get who the source is from and all of that. And again, you can just hear the voice here. It's nothing too bad. The Facebook timeline bump. App usage skyrockets for Goodreads. Goodreads is an application for those who are both bookish and web-friendly.
So it has an accent, not bad. It's really easy to understand. And again, really, really nice to have something running in the background when you just want to hear the news and you don't really, you don't really want to read it. You just kind of want to audibly take it in. And this is something familiar with me because I don't read books as much now. I'm more that I listen to the books. I just use audible.com to get on my content. But also in the bottom here, you have the little mail icon and the star icon. You can star a story here to, just to share out to people, and or not share out, but to kind of just favor in terms of, the stuff that you like. And you can also click this little email icon, which will give you options to share via Facebook, Twitter, and or email. As well as you can click the stars up here to read all your favorite articles, which is again what starring is for. Also on the top right, you have your settings icon. You can log in and create an account. That's only through Facebook. They only allow you to do that through your Facebook account, so that's the only exception. So if you really want an account, you're going to have to do it through your Facebook. And you can submit feedback, and you can see this is a very, very early version because this didn't come out too long ago. But a very, very cool app. And again, they have some other sections here, business, entertainment, and they also have the ability to have a new channel. So if you create your own account, which I'm not logged in now, you can add your own custom channels, which will be able to allow to add your own content. So you can set up different sections. Maybe if you want some design stuff, maybe you're into like architecture and all that, you can add those in. A really cool thing. Again, it's really just for a short, minimalistic, you're not getting the full articles here. You're just really getting a bite-sized of the news itself, and it audibly reads it to you, the full story, so you can hear the full story audibly read to you. Very, very cool. It's free right now in the App Store, so check it out. Snackr. That's Snackr, Snackr, by Snackr Inc., I believe. Check it out. Really great news app. And with that, guys, that concludes this episode of Appitizer, the first new episode of the reboot of the show. Head over to digitaldojos.com for more content, links for the application, and all of that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.